In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut out a shape using Adobe Illustrator. So I have this circle that I drew, and I have this star. I would like to cut the star out of the circle. So the best way to do this is to use the Pathfinder tool. So go up to Window, Pathfinder, and I'm going to place my star on top of my circle. And let's turn it white. I'll go to my swatches, just turn it white. So this is not currently cut out. These are two separate shapes. So now if I select both shapes and go to my Pathfinder tool, choose this minus front option, that has now cut out the star. And if I look at it on a transparent background, you can see we now have the star is cut out of the shape. If you like this video, check out my next video with this quick Illustrator tip. You can try a free 7-day trial of Adobe Illustrator using the link in the description of this video. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Cry Studio. I'll see you in the next video.